You don't really leave that campus. You just learn how to carry it with you. Yeah. American River mornings, fogs get low on the trees. Back when we were figuring out who we were supposed to be. Bike racks and late night talks, deadlines and cafeteria fries. We thought we were just getting through it, didn't know we were being designed. From lecture halls to real life calls, from what if to watch me. Some of us stayed in the city, some of us crossed whole seas. But every time someone said sex state, is that love? Like we both know something.
Sting is up, even when the years go by, even when the jerseys fade and the buildings change that sign. Sting is up,
from the river to the sky. Once a hornet,
always a hornet for life.
some found their voice in classrooms, some found it under Friday lights. Some went on to tell stories that lit up theaters worldwide. Some built businesses downtown, some lead teams we used to watch. Some coach kids on the same field where we first learned how to win. We didn't know it back then, but that place was bigger than a degree. It was pressure, it was patience, it was becoming who we'd be. You when the world feels alive, or the grind feels heavy. There's something about green and gold that settles steady.
Sting is up, not just a game day side.
It's the look you give a stranger
When you realize they're one of mine.
Sting is up.
Sting is up,
Doesn't matter where we roam, we build something on that campus. Here we carry it home. From the left to the next step, from the union to the unknown. We left as graduates, but we return as our own. You can move city, you can change race, but green and gold stay stitched in your veins.
Sting is up.
Sting is up.
Sting is up.
Even if it's been years.
Sting is up.
Through the winds and the fears. Once a hornet. That's not a slogan. That's not a slogan.
Sting is up.
That's not a slogan. That's identity.
Sting is up.
Sacramento State. We didn't just pass, girl.